Now let us express 2700 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Solution: 2700. Now when it is an even number, know that it is always divisible by 2 without a remainder. So we start by dividing by 2, and this would go in 2 ones, in 7 3 times, in 10 5, and then 0. That is 1350. Still an even number which is divisible by 2. So we go 2 in 13, that is 6 7 5. Now the next possible prime number that is divisible in this case is 3. That is 675 is divisible by 3. In how many places? 2, 2, 5. And then 3 is still divisible. In this case we have 7, 5. And then 3 again. So 3 in 225 give us 75. And 75 is divisible by 3. And 3 in 7 will be 2. Then in 15, it will be 5. Now, 25 is not divisible by 3. The next prime number that goes in 25 without a remainder is 5. And 5 in 25, that is 5. And then finally, 5 and 5, ones. So now that we have arrived at 1, we can then write 2700 as a product of its prime numbers. That is 2700 becomes 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Now this is how we write 2700 as a product of its prime factors. But to put this in index form, we do it like this. 2700 then becomes, now 2 appear twice, so we write it as 2 with the power of 2. That's the index form for 2, and then multiply by 3, which appears 1, 2, 3 times. That is 3 raised to power 3, multiplied by 5, which appears just twice, so we have 5 raised to power 2. That is 2700 as the product of its prime factors in index form will be 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. Try this with another number. Thank you.